Hey there, beach lovers and adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Hotel Riu Yucatan, a slice of paradise nestled in the heart of Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Get ready to soak up the sun, indulge in all-inclusive luxury, and experience the perfect blend of Mexican culture and modern comfort. Let's start our journey by exploring the accommodations at Hotel Riu Yucatan. Picture yourself stepping into a bright, airy room with warm tones and tiled floors that instantly transport you to a tropical oasis. The hotel offers a variety of room options, from standard rooms to those with stunning garden or ocean views. While the exact room types aren't fully detailed online, you can expect comfortable spaces that cater to couples and small families alike. Each room comes equipped with essential amenities to make your stay as comfortable as possible. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool in that Mexican heat, flat-screen TVs for your evening entertainment, minibars stocked with refreshing beverages, and safes to keep your valuables secure. And let's not forget the balconies, perfect for sipping your morning coffee while taking in the lush garden scenery or the mesmerizing sea views. Now here's a little insider tip. Some guests have mentioned that the decor might be a tad dated. So if you're expecting ultra-modern interiors, you might want to adjust your expectations slightly. But hey, when you're in paradise, who's really focusing on the wallpaper, right? Now let's talk about the star of the show, the dining options at Hotel Riu Yucatan. Foodies rejoice. This place is a culinary playground with multiple dining venues to satisfy every craving. The main buffet restaurant is a feast for the senses, offering a smorgasbord of international cuisine. But here's where it gets exciting. They've got live cooking stations where you can watch chefs whip up Mexican specialties right before your eyes. It's like dinner and a show, folks. If you're in the mood for something a bit more intimate, the hotel also boasts themed restaurants focusing on different cuisines. While the exact details of these restaurants aren't fully listed online, you can bet your bottom peso that Mexican gastronomy takes center stage. And let's not forget about the bars, because what's a beach vacation without a refreshing cocktail in hand? They've even got swim-up bars at the pools, so you don't have to choose between taking a dip and sipping on a margarita. Now here's a pro tip. While the dress code is generally casual resort wear, you might want to pack a slightly nicer outfit for those themed restaurant nights. Just in case you want to feel fancy while indulging in some gourmet tacos. Speaking of indulgence, let's dive into the pool and beach situation at Hotel Riu Yucatan. Brace yourselves, water babies, because this place is an aquatic paradise. The hotel boasts not one, not two, but 3 freshwater pools. And as if that wasn't enough, they've thrown in a jacuzzi pool and 2 additional jacuzzis, bringing the total hot tub count to 4. That's right, for opportunities to soak your cares away while gazing at the beautiful Mexican sky. The pools are surrounded by solarium terraces, perfect for working on that enviable vacation tan. And the best part? There's poolside bar service, so you can stay hydrated or, hydrated, without ever leaving your lounge chair. Now let's talk about the beach. Picture this. Soft, white sand stretching as far as the eye can see, meeting the crystal-clear turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. It's not just a beach, it's a postcard come to life. And the best part? It's right at your doorstep. The hotel offers direct access to this slice of heaven, where you can swim, snorkel, kayak, or try your hand at windsurfing. They've even got a water sports program, so you can channel your inner mermaid or merman with some expert guidance. But wait, there's more. Hotel Riu Yucatan isn't just about lounging by the pool or beach, although let's be honest, that sounds pretty great. They've got a whole host of activities to keep you entertained from sunrise to sunset. Sports enthusiasts, listen up. You can start your day with a game of volleyball on the beach, challenge your travel buddy to a table tennis match, or join a golf clinic to work on your swing. If you're feeling extra energetic, there are gymnastics classes to get your blood pumping. And for those who prefer their vacations with a side of zen, the Renova Spa is calling your name. While we don't have the full treatment menu, you can expect a range of massages and treatments to melt away any lingering stress. There's also a sauna and steam room for some extra relaxation. Fitness fanatics, fear not. The hotel has a gym equipped for general workouts. Now here's where it gets really fun. the entertainment doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The hotel's Fun for All program keeps the party going with live shows and music events at the La Piñata Club. It's like having your own private music festival right at your hotel. Now let's talk about the little ones, because Hotel Riu Yucatan hasn't forgotten about its youngest guests. Kids will be in seventh heaven with the RiuLand program, a dedicated children's club that offers a smorgasbord of fun activities. We're talking arts and crafts for the creative kiddos, games to keep them entertained for hours, and supervised activities that'll give parents a well-deserved break. The program runs daily, so there's always something to keep the little ones occupied. And let's be real, happy kids mean happy parents, right? But it's not just about keeping them busy. It's about creating memories. Imagine your little ones making friends from around the world, learning a bit of Spanish, or maybe even trying their hand at some traditional Mexican crafts. It's like a mini cultural exchange program, but with more ice cream and fewer textbooks. But what about when you want to venture beyond the hotel grounds? Well, you're in luck, because Hotel Riu Yucatan is perfectly positioned for exploring the wonders of the Riviera Maya. Just a hop, skip, and a 3 kilometers jump away is downtown Playa del Carmen, a vibrant hub of shopping, dining, and nightlife. Take a stroll down the famous Fifth Avenue, where you can haggle for souvenirs, sample local street food, or dance the night away at one of the many clubs. For the history buffs, the ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum are just a short drive away. Picture yourself standing atop cliffside ruins, gazing out at the Caribbean Sea. It's an Instagram moment if ever there was one. And for the adventurers among you, the Eco-Archaeological Park of Xcaret is nearby, offering everything from underground rivers to traditional Mayan performances. Oh, and did we mention the world-famous cenotes? These natural sinkholes are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or just marveling at nature's beauty. The hotel's location in the Playa Car residential estate means you're perfectly positioned to explore all these attractions while still enjoying the peace and privacy of a secluded resort. So, what's the overall verdict on Hotel Riu Yucatan? Well, it's a bit like a really good taco. It's got all the right ingredients for a satisfying experience, even if it's not the fanciest thing on the menu. The hotel's strengths definitely lie in its fantastic location, the abundance of activities, and that picture-perfect beach. The all-inclusive concept means you can leave your wallet in the room safe and just focus on having a good time. The staff generally gets high marks for friendliness and service, which always goes a long way in making a good vacation great. However, like any hotel, it's not without its quirks. Some guests have noted that the rooms could use a bit of a facelift, and if you're a light sleeper, you might want to request a room away from the nightlife areas. The lively atmosphere is great for those looking to party, but might not be ideal if you're after a tranquil retreat. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.